How can we detect if products like these are assembled correctly? The fabrication of our products need a lot of manual assembly. To check for the accuracy and the correctness of the product is not an easy task. Vision-based systems promise a lot of advantages, but are not really industrialized yet, and that's why we started a project with ETH Zurich, Inspire and Bossard to tackle the challenge.
We found out that deep learning-based image processing can be used to detect manual assembly tasks. In this project, we wanted to evaluate the industrial potential of the approach and develop a smart camera prototype. For this, we focused on a low-cost solution that is easy to use. To overcome the hurdle of training data generation, we implemented an automated process.
At Bossard, we are really driven to bring always the newest generation of technology to our customers worldwide and help them to improve their productivity and also the quality standards in the assembly. So this project was for us quite a success, and we see huge potential. We were able to solve problems with customers like Ross Diagnostics, Huber+Suhner, which we could have solved otherwise not in that way. So we're really keen to bring this technology to our customer assemblies process as soon as possible.